We got a GMC Yukon coming in right now. No, it's someone else's. It's a GMC Yukon, looks like, yeah. Looks like they're getting triple foam.
Exactly. I thought it was you one day. I want to make a fool of myself.
That's all the Detroit stuff. I was like, yeah, that's him.
We got two wraparound brushes on both sides that are cleaning the car. More brushes here. Simonized hot wax is being applied. Now over here we got rocker panel brushes and a mirror curtain. And we got side blasters that blast the undercarriage of the car. As well as the rocker panels and the wheels. Side blasters that actually follow the wheel. Double bond with Teflon. Rain X. Spot free.
Hey, what school you at now?
Corona.
Oh, okay.
More spot free. Polish wax, and we got Sunny's hair dryers. Which these Sunny's dryers, they replaced the old, these really old, I forgot the name of those dryers. Yeah, so these are replacement. They're replacement dryers. There used to be those and it's still loud. But these dryers are replacements. I just forgot the name that they used to be. But, I can't remember. There we go. One car is done and completed. Up there's my grandfather's car in there. It's a 2019 Honda Passport. This is our car. It's coming in right now with the more rocker panels. Oh yeah, I just remembered the name of the dryers. They're called Pro Vest, and they hang down from a pipe, and they have air blowing through them. And those were the original dryers in this car wash, which they sadly got replaced about 5 or 6 years ago by those stupid Sunny's blow dryers. Pro Vest ones are the original, and they do a much better job. Looks like we got a some kind of water device hanging up from the ceiling. Looks like we're not getting simonized, but we are getting undercarriage. More undercarriage. edge, more hubcap cleaning with the machine that follows the wheel. More high pressure cleaning. Double bond with Teflon. All nice and clean now. Sunny's dryers are horrible. They do a terrible job. The Provest dryers are much better. Which were the originals. Got a better view of the dryers.